Well, yeah, with lack of clarity and uncertainty, almost always there's a feeling of fear, worry, doubt. In this case, when there's a virus and a pandemic, something that we've never witnessed on this scale before, there's panic happening. And when there's panic, people start making decisions based on them shrinking and not expanding. So that's why people are not spending anymore. People are not paying anymore for what they owe, and people are not collecting money anymore. And especially when you have this pandemic happening, where actually you need to close, people cannot work together, so they have to close down their businesses, and businesses are made out of people. That's what makes people. That's what makes businesses. Right now, we're in a place where there's a lot of uncertainty. How do we deal with it? First of all, we need to, what we're dealing with the most right now is our feelings, more than anything, right? Like, how do I deal with fear, worry, doubt, my insecurities, and the uncertainty that's going to happen right now? First of all, we need to embrace these feelings. We can't just be in a position where we let these emotions kind of take us over. We have to acknowledge them. You can't deal with something that you do not accept. Okay? So the reason why I'm qualified to talk about this is because for the past, 10 years or 10 years ago, I started dealing with anxiety and panic attacks, and I had to learn the hard way how to kind of tame my mind. This is where I went into meditation. This is where I went into learning how to process my emotions by learning how to take the message from my emotions, and at the same time communicate my emotions to the people around me. And at the same time, or the second step is to actually exercise my emotions. So if you don't exercise emotions such as courage, determination, resilience, you're not going to be able to access these emotions, you know? So I think we need to learn how to actually embrace these emotions, channel them, learn how to communicate them to the people around us, and at the same time learn to actually access new emotions, far more resourceful emotions that can actually get us beyond this crisis.
So like there
Because
are like stages.
living in fear is not going to help us. Living in fear is not going to allow us to get through this. And panic definitely will not help. It's just not going to do anything. Yeah.